Okay, good morning, students. We're going to be working with conversions again. We're going to be working on Lesson 4, Module 2 of 4th grade. So we are working on page 162. What we're going to be working on is we're going to be comparing greater than, less than, or equal to, using the signs to represent measurements, and which measurements are larger or least. So let's get into it. First, let's go over our measurements for this module. We began with length. So in lesson 1, we began with centimeters to meters to kilometers. So let's go into that one. So going into lengths, we are going to be discussing centimeter to meter to a kilometer. Remember, centimeters are very small. They're used to measure the lengths of like keys, pencils. Meters are a bit longer. They're 39 inches long, and they are used to measure larger items such as televisions, refrigerators. A kilometer is a lot longer, and it's used to measure miles. So, however, with conversions, we are going to represent how many centimeters equals a meter? Well, 100 centimeters. And then how many meters equals that kilometer? That'd be 1,000 meters. Okay? Okay. Very, very cool. Our next measurement is going to be weight. So if I have 1 kilogram, that equals 1,000 grams. So remember, the size of a Skittle is a Skittle candy is 1 gram. So to make 1 kilogram, I need 1,000 Skittles. So 1,000 Skittles will equal the weight of 1 kilogram. Okay, and last we have liquid. So to represent liquid, it's 1 liter, which is the size of a Gatorade bottle. And how many milliliters are inside is 1,000 milliliters. Remember, milliliters is a droplet of water, the size of a droplet of water. So if I had 1,000 drops of water, it would make 1 liter, 1 Gatorade bottle. All right, so now that we have our conversions on our piece of paper, length, weight, and liquid, now we can compare using greater than, less than, or equal to. So let's do this one. Let's do A. We have 893,503 milliliters. Excellent. Now, for this one, we have liters and milliliters. So we need to convert this into milliliters. So 89 liters would be 89,000 milliliters. So 89,353 milliliters. Which one is larger? This one for sure, because we have a hundreds, thousands place value. Okay, let's go into the next one. We have, whoa, that's way too large, sorry about that. We have 410 kilometers and 3 meters compared to 4,103 meters. So we need to find, sorry, you know what? I should have done this a different color. There we go. 410 kilometers and 3 meters compared to 4,103 meters. Okay. So we need to convert this into meters so that we can have the same measurements, same length. Okay? So how many meters are in a kilometer? Well, I have 1,000 meters. So how many kilometers do we have? We have 410, so that'd be 410,000. 410,000. So 410,003 meters. All right, this is much larger. Okay. Here, I want you to do this conversion, okay? We have centimeters, and we have meters here. We are going to have to divide or multiply centimeters to meters or meters to centimeters. So what we can do is we can make this meter into centimeters. How do we do that? Well, how many centimeters are in a meter? We have 100, so we can multiply 5,339 times 100. And then you'll get your centimeters. So what I'd like for you to do is finish C. Tell me which one is larger. Okay, so now that you've done C on your own, let's go to 6. So 6 is going to be a lot of fun. So we have different measurements here, as you can see. And we have a number line. And it's meters. So we have to convert each one into meters. Cool. So with this first one, we have kilometers and meters. So we know 1,000 meters goes into a kilometer. So a simple conversion. This will be 2,000. And I plug in 415 meters. Where does that go on the number line? We are sort of estimating where this will go. Here's 2,400. I have 2,415, so it should go pretty close right here. Oh, sorry. Meters. Okay, so we have 2,415 meters. Next, let's place 2,379 meters on the place value chart. I know that I have 2,350 meters here, so I know 2,379 is a bit larger. So I'm going to place it right here. And I know it's a bit larger because in the tens place I have 5, but in here I have a 7. So I know 7 is a bit larger because of the tens place. Perfect. All right, here you are going to have to convert. So I am going to ask you to convert these two to meters and place it on the number line, and I'll collect that for your exit ticket. Okay, so pause the video, solve 6, and then we'll go on to 7 together and kind of work on 7 together. So in number 7, our last one for today, we are looking at grams to kilograms. So if you look at your conversion chart, we are dealing with weight. So 1,000 grams equals 1 kilogram. So, but here we start with 0 kilograms to 4 kilograms. So I see that there are lines here. So let's just make a connection. Let's try 1 kilogram, 2 kilograms, and what about 3 kilograms? That works out. Okay, perfect. So, but as grams, we know that would be 1,000 grams, 2,000 grams, 3,000 grams, and 4,000 grams. Perfect. So here's our chart. We had 0 grams. So what you can do is that you can convert, and it looks like we could convert to grams here because we have 2 kilograms, 900 grams, but just grams here, just grams here, and just grams here. So the only ones you'll have to convert is these two here. Okay? And then once you convert to kilograms, place them on the number line where they will most likely be. So for 3,500 grams, I know we have 3,000 here, and 500 would be right in the middle of 3,000 and 4,000, right in the middle, okay? So I would put 3,500 grams. So I'm done with that one. So I want you to finish the rest and convert here, just like we've been doing in each lesson using the conversion table. All right, everybody, I will be collecting these and looking at your work for 6 and 7 and 5 and looking at your assessment and as an exit ticket. Good luck and have a good day.